Yo, come on, Scott King. Again. Again.
Reminiscing when it wasn't all business. They forgot where it started. So we all got to hear for the dearly departed. Hip hop assistant topper. One homeboy became a man and a monster. If the guys only get my last with a popper. R.I.P. we donate your lungs to a roster.
Again. The part's coming up. Come on. Again.
He did. Oh my heck.
Again.
You know, we should add a sequence when we're supposed to do that.
Yeah, buddy. Hold it. Hold it for as long as you can, King.
They caught it?
Yeah.
Hey guys, I'm the future king. This is what happened in Subway. Shut up!
Keep holding.
Hi guys, I'm Pro.
Everybody sound the same.
Do it your way.
Hold him. Keep holding.
Make him stop.
Again.
Bicycle?
Yeah, try time it. Try time it with the music. Hurry up, hurry up. Hold him in the first position, but when you hear the music, put him up. Hurry up, hurry up. Go, 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 go. Hurry up, hurry up. Go. That was nice. Do it again.
What? He's crazy.
Do it again.
You're